So our fourth question is, out of chlorobenzene and benzylene chloride, which one gets easily hydrolyzed by aqueous NaOH and why? So we have to answer that which one of from chlorobenzene and benzene chloride hydrolyzed easily with aqueous NaOH, and we have to give the reason for it. So the answer is benzyl chloride. So benzyl chloride is easily hydrolyzed by the aqueous NaOH, benzene chloride, and the reason is due to resonance, because it's completely resonance. A stable benzyl carbonation is formed. So after reacting with aqueous NOH, stable benzylide carbonation is formed, and due to the resonance in the equation. So the answer is benzyl chloride due to resonance and stable benzyl carbocation is formed. So that's all. Thank you.